Two or more magistrates.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The United States District Court for the Western District of Missouri is now in session. The Honorable Stephen R. Boo presiding. God save the United States and this honorable court.
Good morning and welcome to the United States District Court for the Western District of Missouri. We are so excited that you're here and that even during this pandemic, we're able to figure out how to make these proceedings happen. You didn't come here to hear me to talk. You came here to become our newest, brightest, and best-looking new citizens, and so let's make that happen. I am proud to be able to introduce our Immigration and Services Officer. Please proceed.
Your Honor, this morning I would like to introduce 28 applicants for United States citizenship. These applicants come from 21 different countries. They have met all the formal requirements for United States citizenship. Upon taking the oath of allegiance, each one will have the rights, the privileges, and the responsibilities of United States citizenship. At this time, the government moves that the oath of allegiance be administered to the prospective citizens of the United States and that all petitions for name change be granted.
It is my great honor to grant that motion. And now turn it over to the clerk of the court.
All applicants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do hereby declare, upon oath, that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by law, and that I take this obligation freely, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, so help me God.
Congratulations. Well, they can't give a former lawyer the microphone and not expect me to speak a little bit. And so it is my great pleasure to welcome you to citizenship in what I believe to be the best country in the world. Naturalization ceremonies are beloved by the judges of the Western District of Missouri. As the COVID pandemic has slowed the pace of the naturalization process, we are so proud to partner with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. The staff of our two agencies have worked hard to be able to swear you in as new citizens. Please join me in thanking them for their hard and creative work to allow this proceeding to proceed safely. The United States is a land of but one people, gathered from many countries. Just a brief word about your obligation to your national heritage. While your adopted homeland demands and deserves your complete allegiance, which you have just sworn today, you are fortunate to have and should have concern about the land and the people of your birth. In making you one of us, we Americans do not expect you to abandon the rich heritage that you've come from. You must nurse these memories and teach them to your children. Enjoy your ethnic and national communities all the time, using them as building blocks for a better and more productive life in this new homeland of yours. America is not perfect, and for generations we have learned from the immigrants that have come to our shores. With your help, we can continue to address these problems and continue to improve. Our Constitution was signed in 1787 and set forth two important boxes, the ballot box and the jury box. If you want to see change in our government, vote. In your materials is a voter registration card. Please register to vote today. In America, we hope to resolve our disputes peacefully. Guilt or innocence is not decided by me as a judge, but by you, our newest citizens, as jurors. If called to serve on a jury, we hope you come. Your diversity of experiences will only make us stronger. In closing, I wish for you all the good things in life. This is an exciting moment for me and for you and the entire court family. Please join with me in closing this proceeding with our Pledge of Allegiance to our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the country for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That will adjourn our ceremony. I apologize that your family wasn't able to be in here with us. We hope to very shortly be opened up. We're proud that you're new citizens of the country, and I'd be enormously proud to meet you out front on the steps if anybody would like to take a picture before you go on to celebrate this very special day. I hope to see you out there in a moment. But again, congratulations.